Haggis Neeps and Tatties by G. Morrison. Haggis Neeps and Tatties, of fit a hert I feed. Nu se doen en hea drame, and I'll tell you fit you need. For a start you'll need a 12-bore, and a cartridge full of lead. And get yersayl a doggie, te keert your haggis van its deed. Nu mine en weer your kelt, vuil hunting haggis roene hell. You dinna need your drawers, as long's the wind is fine and still. You'll hit a creep through heather, with mine and tuck your gel, so's te pour yersayl a drame, eens je maak your haggis kel. Nu neest je need a neep, the finest Swede that's in a park, and ye can spear the farmer, or ye can fweeg it when it's dark. Nu thinking, fill your at it, stuff a tatty doen your sark. But if a farmer sees you, he'll job your dope with his pitchfork. Nu if you get home safely, with your haggis, tatties and neep, but I think went to bail, and gie your pipes a peep. Nu mine afore you eat, address your haggis, respect as treat, and pour yersayl a dram, and drink doen every dreep. Fit a lovely boring supper, nu just put up your feet.